When it comes to making the most of your herbicide treatment plan, RangeView can help in multiple ways. Powered by data-driven insights from our partners at Satelytics, you'll be able to view in-depth satellite imagery and identify invasive brush, weeds, and grass in your pastures with the help of cutting-edge machine learning analysis. Once the invasive species have been identified, you can create a plan to eliminate them with proven herbicide options. And when you use either Rejuvra herbicide or Invora herbicide on select species, we'll stand behind your efforts with the long-haul guarantee. This innovative approach not only helps to remove invasive species, but also reestablish native species, restoring greater productivity to your rangeland and increasing your forage quality.